Hey everybody, we're here inside the Anatomy Virtual Medicine VR experience, Human Anatomy VR. If you've never been in here before, make sure you click on the tutorial and go through the tutorial. It's really going to help you get the most out of this app. But I just want to show you real briefly what types of things that you can do in here. From here, there we go. So the first thing you're going to notice is that you're going to have a menu next to you. You can go ahead, you don't have to hold it. You can just go ahead and drag it by its title bar there, okay? This will exit out of it. This will also, it will move with you, but if you want it to stay stationary, you're going to use this pin button here, okay? And as you see, we've got a skeleton. We've got this, do you see how that moved right in front of me like that? Okay, so we've got this info panel here. We can put this here for now, pin that there. We can even pin the info panel here too. And we can basically layer our skeleton with whatever we want to see, okay? You can also subtract the layers if you want to see different layers on there. You can also go ahead and look at microanatomy if you want to look at microanatomy, okay? The info panel is here and it just tells you about what you're looking at, okay? So as you click on things, it will change what it's looking at and tell you more about that anatomy. There are animations, which I think are kind of cool. As you can see, you can change it, see how the muscles and what actually is firing to get movement. I think that's pretty cool too. So let's go back here. And we'll go back to muscles. We'll take a couple layers off. And as you can see too, our info panel is just changing as we go. From there, I would just go ahead and open their tools. What's kind of cool here in functions is that you can quiz yourself on the anatomy, okay, which is kind of cool. It is a timed it's a timed quiz, just to warn you. So once you get started, time left, I mean, it's going pretty quickly, so make sure you start the quiz fairly quickly. You're just picking these things. You're going to be wrong, wrong or right. They want you to identify what this is, right? So you're going to go ahead and click on that. I don't even know what it is, but I'm sure you guys do. Is it that? No. Oh, hey, way to go. At any rate, that's the quizzing feature, okay? And like I said, it is timed. So you can quiz yourself, you can highlight features, you can hide different features, you can do some drawing. You can also go ahead and do a cut of what you want to see too, which is, I think, pretty helpful. So that's what that is. I'm going to turn that off. All these things just turn off and on. The last thing I want to show you is the ant mode. Ant mode is going to let you be as small as an ant and travel right down, almost even inside. So you can see on the inside. Pretty cool, yeah? At any rate, that's the whole thing. Enjoy the program.